Hair buildup causing slow drains is the absolute worst, but you can totally fix it without calling a plumber every time. So, first off, grab some gloves and just pull out any visible hair from the drain. Like, get your fingers in there and snag all that gunk. After that, pour some boiling water down the drain to help loosen up any leftover stuff stuck inside. If that doesn't do the trick, go for an enzyme cleaner. It's way better than harsh chemicals because it breaks down the hair naturally without wrecking your pipes. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight to really work its magic. Another pro tip, use a hair catcher or drain screen to stop hair from going down in the first place. Trust me, it saves a ton of hassle. Don't forget to clean that catcher regularly or it'll just get clogged again. Also, try to brush your hair before showering to catch loose strands ahead of time. Lastly, avoid using chemical drain cleaners too often since they can damage your plumbing over time. One of the biggest slow drain problems is ignoring the buildup until it gets bad, which makes the clog harder to clear, so stay on top of cleaning your drain regularly. Another common mistake is using harsh chemical cleaners that mess up your pipes and the environment. Enzyme cleaners are a way safer bet. Third, not using a hair catcher means loads of hair ends up in your drain, so invest in one and keep it clean to prevent future slow drains and backups. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking you up with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing, so you're not stuck guessing who to call. Plus, it helps contractors find solid work by connecting them with homeowners needing their skills, making home fixes way less stressful for everyone.